Hi, my name is Anjanae Broughton, and welcome back to the TSW YouTube channel. Today, we'll be going over how to use mobile web checkout. First, you should go to www.wpunj.edu/TSW. Once you reach this page, you can scroll down and click on the Web Checkout Patron Portal button and log into your WPU account. This will take you to the Patron portal. Here, you'll be able to make a reservation for any equipment or editing rooms that you need. Once you get to the Patron portal page, you'll be able to see the message of the day. After you view that, you'll be able to come onto the main page. When you click on the editing option, you can see what types of editing rooms we have along with some general information. And the same goes for equipment. Once you find what you need, you can click the reserve button and then the create reservation button. Once you've done that, you can click your preferred pickup time and submit your reservation. After that, you will receive an email from Webcheckout and you can head down to the window to pick up your equipment or editing room for your set time. That's everything you need to know for mobile web checkout. If you have any questions, please feel free to call or email the TSW window. Thank you for watching.